BitBoy Crypto Morning TA. Well, good morning, everybody. It's July 27, 2021. My name is Piano Matty B, and this is your Morning TA. A brief window into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing, all the humble opinion of this electric piano. Zamboni, bring in the data. Fear and Greed Index is at 32, up from yesterday's 26. Still Bullersons. It's gone from extreme fear to just regular old fear. And Nosy Miss Nussbaum's social media market sentiment in a rent-controlled Twitter apartment is at 87%, same as yesterday, which means everything people are talking about has an 87% positivity rate. And the U.S. stock market is up and to the right. Now, I wanted to give some historical context on yesterday's price action retracement model so you can see why I want price action to retrace down to 34.4 and how I'm not just a price action party pooper. We're going to get historical norm to walk us down memory lane. Let's look at what happened when we saw 6 or more green daily candles in a row way back in December from the 28th to January 3rd, which was actually 7 green candles in a row. We watched price action jump almost 12K from 26 to 35 after retracing egads all the way down to the 78% retracement level. We see the next leg up almost identical as the first. That's right, 12K. That's because the first line was nice and rested. Historical norm walk us even farther back to March 5th to 11th. Another 7 candle 12K run from 46 to 58K. After we see a pullback to the 38% retracement level, not quite enough rest for the first line to make that next leg up. It's only 57 to 62. And I mean, hey, it's still nice, 5-6K, right? But we don't see a replay of that initial 12K run. The first line didn't get enough rest on the bench, but wait, look what happens. The coach, angry with how the first line performed, benches them again and retraces back down to the 61.8% retracement level. And now the 18-year-old millionaires, they're fully rested. What do? They replay the previous glorious run of 12K up to 62,000. Now look at our current run of what do you know? Almost 12K, like the last runs. Weird, eh? It's retraced so far almost down to the 38% retracement level. Now, if historical norm ran the gains from the previous 38% retracement level back in March, we could add another 5K to the price action, which would take us to about a 42K, fulfilling my old wives' tale of that which is wicked becomes candlestick. Which is great, right? Wrong. No, it is great, of course. But historical norm doesn't like leaving money on the table. He wants to see the next leg up. A carbon copy of the first 12K, which would put us at 46K. Now you're probably saying, Piano Matty B, what's 4K among sick degens? And you're right, it's not that big a deal, but wait. This 46K level would take us to a very important event. That's right, it's the 200 daily movie average. Price action's old nemesis from high school. And this is the bully that Bitcoin's been seeing a therapist about. And after months of not being able to get over it, Bitcoin will get a chance to confront it and say, hey, you hurt me. You made me feel bad, like I wasn't anything. Like I couldn't do anything. And then Bitcoin will say, you know what? I am something and I can do great things. It will be a real moment of change where we can confirm that we are officially exorcising the bearish demons and moving on on to new all-time highs. But make no mistake, this awkward moment between Bitcoin and its nemesis, Bully, the 200 MA has to happen, and it will happen. Now, do we want to confront it with the fourth line meatheads? No. Or how about the let's go get a beer, the second line's on? No. No, we want the goal scorers, the playmakers. Yes, the 18-year-old millionaire first liners all rested up and ready to take the W. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected elites. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. A BitBoy Crypto Morning TA. Cha-cha-ching.